Hello YouTube, this is Dr. from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another TM haul, some more dies. So I did pick up this small tab file folder, one for myself and one for my giveaway. And it's $1.19, 2070028. And so what you get is a really small file folder. I have a bigger file folder die, but this is basically almost like an ATC, it looks like to me. So this is basically, it's actually bigger than 2.5. 1, 2, 3, well, yeah. So that's 9/16. So 2 and 9/16. Okay. Now from the shortest point right here, 3.5, but if you add that on, it would be 3 7/8. So anyway, I'm sure, I think it would be cute to make some little cute mini file folders and decorate it. So I got one to share. You've seen this. This is Dream. I ended up getting this because I got the family one, and it's 2011187. Of course, it's been around for a while, but it's actually a nice script. I was really excited to get this one, and it's 2047450, and the spellbinders is S5205, Delicate Doilies. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I'm reading those numbers because you can call the product 800 number, type it in your zip code, and they'll let you know the items in your area. And when you're doing a series, like all these items belong to the same number, usually it's the last 2 digits only that change. Sometimes the third one, if it's like 100 in the series. So this is a 6-piece set. With the 6-piece set, these doilies, you can do a couple different things. You can just use the outer rims, and you got nice shapes right there. They're wonky, nice little shapes. You can make flowers out of that, any kind of circles that you may need. And that's a nice shape in and of itself. And it's a nice size. But of course, we love our doilies. You can use this just like that to make some doilies. You could put that in there, make a doily, you know, something totally different with that shape. Or you could not use the outer rings, because each one of them have, like, this matches, oops, that one matches, and that one matches. But you could also switch them up. But with this, as well as with these, you can just cut it into your paper and don't cut it out, and just have those designs cut into the paper. So don't forget about that. When you have dies that don't have an edge on it, then it's not going to cut the item out. But you can use this just to cut into the paper and have that imprint as a background, as a little bit of texture and dimension. So look for dies that you can do multiple things with. Not, I mean, well, of course, not just the creative part of it, you know, decorating it different, but using it totally different, than giving a different image. This was the Bird Sanctuary 4-piece, 2047444, and the spellbinders is S5033. So 2 birds and 2 bird cages. And this birdie has feet in his small cage. Sorry about the darkness, it's night. It's actually 3 o'clock in the morning, probably later by now. This one doesn't have feet, but he has that bird cage. They can make some cute embellishments. You can make this a summer bird or a winter bird. You can put flowers on it. You can make, like if you put a poinsettia on it or something, make it a winter bird, or you can put some little spring, some tropical flowers or hibiscus, make it a summer bird. On the fence about this Balloon Kids 3-piece 2047438. Nothing wrong with them, but my sister is saying, well, you can use these people without the balloons as a mixed media. So I said, well, let's see. That might be a good idea. So you get your 3 people, and you could just cut the balloons pieces off so it doesn't have to look celebratory. I don't know where these 2 pieces go because these don't fit the sizes of these balloons at all. Now these do. So I can see using these pieces to cut out to make your layering. They fit the balloons, but these balloons do not. But I guess you want to cut them totally off and just use these a bigger size. You can do that. So one option, like Melissa said, is just to, you would have to cut off the balloons at both pieces, and you could even cut off the individual people and have them separately instead of as a grouping. So it doesn't have to be a celebratory use for this only. So, because sometimes it's hard to find people. Of course, it would just be silhouettes, but still, nonetheless, you can have that. So that is one option with that. So these last 2, very similar but a little bit different. They're both in Art Deco, and this is the Ritz Decorative Elements 3-piece, and it's 204-7460. The Spellbinders is S5253. So it's a 3-piece set, nice size pieces. And I'll show you those pieces. So even though it's 3 pieces, it's actually going to give you 4. So you have that, you can cut that piece out. And this actually would have this embossed because there's not a cutting edge right here. So this is going to emboss the inside. This right here, look at that, nestles in there very nicely. And this one, now this one has a cut edge in here. So when you cut them out, you're actually going to get 2 pieces here. You're going to get that little pyramid rhombus. Not pyramid, excuse me, that rhombus or trapezoid right there, diamond, whatever you want to call it, and then you get that piece as the layering piece. So these 2 can layer, but you will end up with 4 pieces when you cut this out, and this is very decorative, ornate. But that's what the Art Deco has, those type of lines. This is the Ritz Decorative Accent. So that's the element, and this is the accent. So this is 204-7462, S5256. Again, nice sizes as well. Different lines. This one does cut. Well, actually, that's an embossed line.